Mindful Gains, welcome to my channel, back in the kitchen where I don't belong, but this time I've got my little sous chef behind me there, look, she's doing a grand job. Today we're just going to show you how to make a really cheap, simple, lazy vegan lunch. This meal is cheap, quick and easy, and it's also a good pre or post workout meal. Those ingredients combined give you 850 calories and 50 grams of protein. First, dice the tofu into manageable squares. Place tofu in bowl. Add soy sauce. Add, what's that? Mushroom sauce.
Vegetarian alternative to oyster sauce.
Marinade tofu. Chop
Garlic.
Mind your fingers, love. Oh, you've done this before. You're like a pro. Look at that knife action. Add garlic to tofu and marinade. Bit of chili powder if you like a bit of zip in your food. Whoa, steady on, love. Mix it all in.
I don't use oil, so I use a bit of water to start with, just heat the pan. Three to 4 minutes just till it toasts a little bit on the outside. Then we'll pop in the vegetables and then it's done. Should take about 6 minutes all up.